If you see sorry can't play this video on YouTube Kids in 2026, it's usually due to internet problems, app errors, content restrictions, or an old app version. Here's how to fix it on most Android devices. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. A poor internet connection can prevent videos from loading. So try turning on the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off, and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and restart your Wi-Fi router as well. After that, restart the app. Sometimes temporary glitches can cause errors. So open your phone settings and then after go to apps. Now use the search bar in the top and search for YouTube Kids application. And once you find it, you need to scroll down and tap on storage. Then click on clear cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And open the app again. Damaged cache files can stop videos from playing, so it's very important that you clear the app cache. Then after, go ahead and update the application as well. Open Play Store and search for YouTube Kids application. Open it, and if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest version. Also check the content settings. Panther settings might be blocking some videos. So go ahead and open your YouTube Kids application. Go to settings and tap on the lock icon and enter the parent code. Check the content level settings and try selecting a higher age category. And if the problem still continues, you need to uninstall the YouTube Kids and restart your phone. Reinstall the app from the Google Play Store and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.